What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Will NIO stock keep going down? Now this video is going to be purely technical based. I'm not a financial advisor, but let's get right into it. So we've seen a rise pretty quickly in NIO stock over the last year. In fact, it only happened within the time period of April to about December of 2020. Now, one of the problems that we face is that there's no support levels being built here, right? If you look at any other stock, and Microsoft would be the best example to choose, Microsoft stock has been consolidating upward for the longest time, right? So if it does have a pullback, there's support levels down here that will be able to hold the stock up. But when we go back to NIO stock, we don't really see any of that, right? So it's hard to say whether or not these levels are going to hold, especially if the market actually does crash, or we have a correction. I doubt it's going to crash, but if we have a correction, look back here, there's no support levels to hold this current price up, and that's why we've seen a major come down. And this is outside of the news that we're hearing about China and all the regulations. This is just purely technical base, right? So there's no support levels to hold the stock up, especially coming from a $2 stock all the way up to a $60 stock. Man, that's a huge jump within 3 months. So it's going to be hard to try to say buy the dip when it keeps dipping. Like, for example, a stock that keeps dipping is Alibaba, and they're probably going down for the same reason. But the idea here is to say to yourself, is this the bottom? Well, we can't really look back on any other spots. For example, right here, people probably thought 33 was the bottom because it hit down here and it bounced back up real fast, but we've already broken that, right? So honestly here, you can flip a coin. You can tell me whether or not the stock is going to stay up, but if the market is coming down, NIO is definitely coming down hard because there's no support levels over here to keep the stock up. So I want you guys to be very cautious when you're putting money into stocks like these, because it can be very risky. $30, you may think that that's a deal, but it may be a value trap. So who knows? So just do your research, and if you really believe in the company, you can put money into it if you do, regardless if it goes down or up. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.